not now. You don't eat it right now. We gotta wash it.
Any more?
Yeah, you eat it after you wash it.
See it in there?
Right here. Another potato.
Oh, that was my fear. They say that happens. Sometimes you chop one in half.
But that was a
We can feed it to the... Yay, look!
Ooh, that's even bigger potato now.
There's another one.
Hold those.
I don't know the best way to like pull these up because I don't want to stab them. Oh. Oh, no one.
Here, you have to wipe that one off. Another one. More. That's enough. Just leave it there. Don't
Another one.
stick that one over there. You got four to
Here.
the other four. You got four to the other four, and so now he's getting the new ones. Now he's not four to his new ones.
Oh, another one.
And another one.
Little one.
Oh, I missed it. Right between the
You get it?
fingers.
It's on the other side. Oh, there's some more. Oh, cut it a little bit. That's okay. Those are just the ones we can get rid of too. They are?
Yeah.
But they're dirty, so can't wait until we get those huge
I'm gonna get them
potatoes.
all in the freezer.
Well, they're not even giant because they were small red, but like these are good ones. These bigger ones are about as big as they'll get, probably.
Just like the most dirtiest potato. Well, actually, not supposed to. Nope. We don't throw the potatoes.
Did you throw it out?
No, we threw it and then went. Boop.
Oh my gosh, that is so huge.
Well, welcome back, friends. We are back home in Indiana. I don't think I've posted a video being back home since our vacation. And it's hot. And I apparently decided this would be fun to do. My face is so red. So we are going to stake out our goats when we're home and we're sitting outside to watch them, of course. Probably not a good place. That's too close over there, you think? There's some flowers in there that we don't want them to eat. And that dogwood right in front of you.
Okay. If I go up any closer there, hell, it can't get done.
I know, and they'll get to this. Maybe our thing's too long. I don't know. Can you go down the boat ramp more so then it maybe can't reach there? Because anything past that point is okay. So as I was saying, we just have some area down here that we want cleared out so we can access the lake a little bit easier up here closer to the house. And I'd like to put a swing down there and just different things just to be able to enjoy that area a little bit better. And so, yeah, we thought we would put the goats out there when we are able to watch them. And also because we didn't want another fence there, so we're just going to do a temporary staking. Maybe someday we'll buy the Premier One fencing. I know that's like really popular and extremely effective. Just not in our budget right now. And this was a quicker fix to run to the local farm store and get that. So that's what we're doing now. And I'm sitting here reading The Backyard Homestead. Learning more about like drying herbs. I want to do that, kind of start making our own herbs. And fruit trees, I would like to do more fruit trees next year. And the boys want to tap a maple tree, and that's in here too. So there's like learn how to milk a goat, tap a maple tree, prune fruit trees, dry herbs, bake whole grain bread. Well, I've kind of, sorry, you can't see that very well. This might be mirrored and backwards, I don't know. Anyway, started some of that, so yeah, that's today.
Make it take more than this go. It's not my go.
Don't let him eat the flowers, Peyton.
Come on. Just walk him over this way.
Yeah, I don't know where you're going. Look, he's trying to eat it. Don't let him. Hi, Russell. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Where's Russell going? So that's what we need them to eat and clear out. And we can see, I think that's just a giant thorn bush that grew up on a tree trunk. Did you get the ball? Did you get the ball? Kodak's out.
There he is. Get Kodak. Get Kodak.
Kodak, come. You can't put him in the garage one without shutting the garage door. He gets out every time. Good job, Peyton. You might put him in the barn.
Barn?
Yeah, barn.
Barn?
Barn.
Barn.
Russ Carl's looking for him.
Dad.
There's also a butterfly habitat that the wind blew down the hill there after we released our butterflies.
Trying to get in.
Probably he might eat it if you don't.
Wow. Wow. Mommy. Stop.
I think he likes it. Carl wants to come over, see? Told you.
Huh? You gotta get a whole separate area.
That one doesn't belong to video down there.
Oh, really?
And the backyard. Big one going on. Dog is
That was pretty cool.
That was cool, huh? Get it? Yeah, it's not super bright. He's throwing off and throwing off. He's just dancing around it. Come on, Boo. Woohoo! Come on.
they going with the music too.
Woo! Hooray!